What is up, guys, man? We are back at it again. We jumping on this 73 Impala. So today I'm about to show you something a little different. So today we going on a little scavenger hunt, man. We trying to find this interior for this 73, but y'all gotta wait. I can't let all the secrets out right now. You have to see it to believe it. But we're gonna do an interior swap on this 73. So let's go ahead and let's check it out. Here's the interior right now. We got a lot of work to do. We need to clean all this stuff up, get all this stuff out, but in the next week or two, you're gonna see this whole thing transform. And I got a surprise for you guys. Go back to the videos, check it out. You see the whole install of the panoramic roof. Now I got this thing fully operational. So let me give you a little demonstration. Got the jump box here, bam. I can't show you how I got it wired up, but I got the clip there. I got the switch there. And here you go. Full motion, baby. Come on now. Come on now. Look at that, full operational. Closed, seals just like it's supposed to. Just like that. And it also has the tilt. Man, sometimes I just impress myself. So obviously you've been missing out. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification so you don't miss any videos. As you can see that we doing legendary stuff over here. And I say we, I meant me. I'm doing legendary things. I'm a legendary kind of guy. So that's how it is, guys. So now let's go ahead and let's get back to the video. Bam, I already got all my tools that I need to go on this scavenger hunt. So guys, y'all already can have an idea of where I'm going with this. So yeah, man, got a lot of stuff to do, a lot of people to see, a lot of goals to accomplish. Oh, wait. Here's the 64. If you haven't seen the videos on the 64, go ahead and go back into the playlist. I got a whole thing of doing the restoration on the 64, so y'all better check that out as well. Keys, what I did with my keys. Gotta find what I did with my keys. I always do this. I need to clean the shop. It's a little dirty right now, but it's all right though. Work's getting done. As long as work getting done, I don't care what she look like. I just want to make sure the work gets done. God, what I do with the keys? Keys, what I do with you? I left the keys in the car. There they go, please. There they go. Pulling up at the spot. Y'all probably, some of y'all already know what it is. This is the land of the lost. Baby, I'm about to go find what we need in this. I'm about to find it. Welcome to the land of the lost. Hopefully I can see what I'm trying to find. It's actually really muddy out here because it rained about a day ago, so rest in peace to the shoes I got on. But we on the hunt for a specific car to do our transformation on. So luckily I came out here about a week ago. I kind of know where I'm going. Hopefully everything is still there the way it was. But man, it's a journey all the way to the back up here. So if y'all been to the junkyard, y'all already know. This junkyard, they don't know what they have. They don't know where it's at. You gotta hunt and find it. And once you do, you better remember where it's at so the next time when you come back, you can get what you need. But they do move a lot of stuff around. So hopefully they ain't moved it around. But man, this gonna be a big win to get all of this stuff for this car. So let's pray that it's in the same spot. This time I seen it over here. It's a black one. So see, they already moved stuff around because last time all this stuff wasn't around here. So y'all already know what I do is, shoot, rest in peace to the Honda hood. I'm getting up on it. What do y'all see? Man, that oh no, I'm wrong. There you go. is silver. That's it right there. Ooh, it's a little tight now. Got a couple cars out here. Show y'all how y'all turn trash into treasure. That's what we're gonna do here today, boys and girls, if y'all watching this. Dang, I should have wore my boots. My rubber boots out here. Golly, it's muddy. All this just to get what I need. I hope the owner of the car is looking at this. Bro, I'm making some sacrifices to get out here to get what we need. So, you know, a little tip will be appreciated after the end of this build. Thank you greatly. There it is, 745i. So let's see. Last time I looked in it, mostly everything was in it. The seats and everything. I want it all. Okay, so we got doors. And the main piece is what we need is the dash. And we got front. Come on, front and back seats. Dang, I need the bottom of the seat. I got most of it. But we're gonna make this do what it do. Looks like we got mostly everything. We getting the center, we getting the dash, the doors, the center console, the seats. I mean, pretty much everything just look like it need to be cleaned up a little bit. Oh man, look at that. Got these too. I believe somebody was trying to take the doors off, but they didn't know how to do it. But I'm gonna show them how to do it. Because all the clips are here. Most of them. I guess that went there. Yeah, we got that. See, my plan is when we put it in that 73, though, we're gonna have the LED lights run up here. We're gonna have them haloing out of here. Of course, we're gonna have to upgrade the speaker system, so we might put 2 speakers right here on the door panel itself. But the main point we want to do with the 73 is to keep it classy. So, I never took out a dash out of one of these, but today is the day, so here we go. Okay, so now I got all the interior out, as you can see. Man, it took a lot to get this out. Say it took about 4 hours to get this whole interior out. Man, that dash was a beast. This dash gave me so much problems to get this out. So if y'all decide to take a 745 dash out, you're gonna be there for a while. I spent a lot of time on the dash. The doors came out really good and the rest of the interior pieces came out well. So hopefully, look at that, everything works. So I think it's gonna be a nice little build. Now, the only downer is I couldn't get the seats out because I needed the jump box to put power to it so I can move them forward, because I couldn't get to the bolts that's sitting right here under the rail. So for right now, I have to leave these here, and hopefully when I come back, the jump box will work. I can be able to wire it up some kind of way to move them forward to get the seats out. So that's pretty much it. I don't know, what do y'all think? Should we get the steering wheel too on the next trip? Hit that comment section below and let me know. And also let me know what y'all think this is gonna look like. Are we gonna be able to pull it off? This is my first time doing it, so all things are possible. That's why man ended up on the moon. So we're gonna make sure, we're gonna try to put this 73 Impala in the game with this BMW interior. So guys, y'all hit the comment section and let me know your thoughts. All of the pieces up in this wheelbarrow and push it there, way down that way. So let's get to work. We got a lot of stuff to do. So I'm gonna try to attempt to put all of these pieces inside that wheelbarrow and to push it down. Man, this thing has so many little bitty pieces to go with it. Man, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Hope everything's going to plan. Wow, don't believe it. It all fit on one wheelbarrow. I thought I was gonna have to make several trips. So I don't want to hear y'all in the comment section saying, oh, you scratching up the interior. All of this stuff is getting redone. So don't worry about it if it gets scratched a little bit. I don't care. As you see, it has a lot of wear and tear on it. So we're gonna be fixing that up anyways. So now, time to head there for our journey back home.